Hey, this is Jacob at LaPorte Products T-Top Covers. Just got a front runner 39 in to get a brand new cover built for it. So we figured we'd just give you a brief overview, some of the features and specifications on this boat, kind of walk through it and go over some of the details that are pertaining to this one. Come over to the back of the boat, start to see your power. On the front runner 39, you can put a setup of either triple 400s, quad 400s, or like on this one, the quad 450 Merc racing motors. And that'll power you up to about 70 miles an hour, all out, getting out to the reefs. All right, when it comes to fishing on the back of the front runner 39, there's a lot of good thought that went into it. It's a lot of room to move around. You've always got your rocket launcher in the back here for all your rods when you got them. There's 4 full rod holders in there, as well as 2 cup holders. You got 2 50-gallon live wells on the back here for keeping all your bait ready to roll. And then you got 2 massive fish boxes as well, one on this side and one on the other side, for anything you kind of take on with you for that day. On this particular front runner 39, you got a massive second station up top and a guide tower to where you can see and get a lot of visibility and help you to kind of move around in shallower water and see where you're going looking for fish. All right, moving to the helm on this front runner, you've got a pretty good setup up front. You've got the dual arch display Garmin's. We got JL audio set up. You got all your fun switches and knobs here. I personally love that they're still hardcored into the boat and it's not just all digital, so you have a fail-safe there. Steering wheel, obviously got joystick controls, got the quads on the back, you can run with that. Makes it real easy to park this thing. And then nice little feature when you got the Garmin, it actually has this magnetic iPad-like cover, which I personally think is way better than the hard lock-on ones. This layout was designed by anglers for anglers, but it's refined for comfort too. Up here at the bow, you got a spacious wraparound lounge with integrated backrest and huge insulated storage underneath as well. Designed specifically for boats like this one, LaPorte's covers offer full coverage protection from the T-top down, guarding against sun, salt, and weather, so your 39 stays looking brand new. Head over to our website at LaPorteProducts.com for more information.